What's Daddy's favorite word?
Okay.
Why?
Because Mommy doesn't like no.
And if he says no?
The house gets tense.
How?
Mommy's mood controls the whole house.
Who talks more at home?
Mom.
And Dad?
He stays quiet.
Is he scared?
He's not scared.
Then what?
He's smart. He chooses peace.
Why does Daddy always carry his phone everywhere?
Because Mommy might call.
And if Mommy calls?
He has to answer before she calls again.
What happens if he doesn't?
Then comes the explanation.
How long?
Longer than the call.
If you were the president, what would you give the people?
First, I would give my mom a ticket out of the house.
What? Why?
Because my mom scares my dad too much. Even the president needs peace in the house.
What's the funniest thing your mom says when she's mad?
I'm not mad.
And?
That's how you know she is.
What does your dad do?
He becomes the nicest person alive and apologizes.
Who decides what you eat at home?
Mom.
And Dad?
Dad eats what Mom decides.